Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Yes, so today's video is going to be easy and simple. Yeah, be easy for beginners. I hope you guys enjoy. So to start with, you'll be needing your mannequin's head, your yarn, your headband. This headband I made it myself, and also your needle and thread. That's just all you'll be needing. Yeah, so I want to go ahead and put my yarn. I'm going to be passing my yarn through the table just to give me this line so I can be able to crochet my hair on it. When I'm done doing that, I'll just go ahead and start tying a knot with my kinky hair. So this hair I'm using, it's a kinky hair. In fact, everything I use for this video are what I already have before. I never bought anything for it, so you can go ahead and use yours. Maybe you can buy, or anyone you have at home, you can just go ahead and make yours. So this is what I'm going to do until I get my desired length of hair I want. My head, I measured my head. My normal size of head is 22.5 inch, so I'm going to be making lines 22.5 inch just to size and fit my head. So at this point, here is what it's looking like. I think it's 22 inches here. When I measured it, it was my size of head. So I'll just go ahead and cut it out with my scissors. After cutting it out, I'll tie a knot here just to secure the ends and not to allow the air comes out from the yarn. So here is what it's looking like. I'll take my headband to my mannequin head and secure it with a pin, just so it doesn't go out of place. After doing that, I'll get my hair, the hair we just made, I'll get it and also tie it around the mannequin head. After tying it, I'll secure it as well with pin so it doesn't go out of place. So here is what it looks like. What I'm doing to use the securing it is my pin, my wick pin. After securing it and I know it's okay, I'll get my needle and thread and start sewing it round. So I'll sew it from the beginning of this end to the other side of the hair. But before I do that, I'm going to turn it into a ponytail and then start sewing it. So guys, if you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Abigail IFEOMA. I never introduced myself before and I'm doing it now. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Can you please drop it at the comment section so I can welcome you specially. My OGs, you guys are the best. From day one you keep watching my video. I really want to say thank you you guys so much for the love and support. There's no better way to say it than to say thank you. There's no way I can express how I feel, but I'm here to tell you guys that I'm happy you guys are coming back to watch my video. It means so much to me. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you all, every one of you. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your love and support. And I hope you enjoy this video and make one for yourself because it's so simple and easy. Yes. So as you can see, I'm just trying to pass in my thread and then tie a knot. It's as easy as that. So I started sewing from the other end and here I am at the last part of it, which I'm going to be sewing as well. So when I get to that last part, I'm going to cut out the excess yarn on the hair and then secure it again just to make sure it's firm on the band. This headband before, I already have it. It's like a material. I was sewing a dress and then the pieces I saw it and then I decided to make something out of it. So if you want, you can get a real headband. It's at the beauty shop where you get this elastic or the hook, you understand, but this one does not have the hook, neither does it have the band. Give it this close end. So what I'm going to do here is just to tie it. It's okay, it's mine, nobody has it, I'm not selling it. So that is what I'm going to be doing. After sewing it, I'll go ahead and put all the things I need to put on the hair, which is your mousse. I'm going to start with spraying of water. I'll put my mousse and my shining spray. So when I do that, I'll use my hand to massage the hair just so they enter inside the hair. So as you can see, here is what it's looking like. If you have watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, I'm here to remind you, please hit this red button on your screen, yes, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Drop a comment at the comment section, let me know what you think, and also give the video a big thumbs up because it helps my channel. And so here is what it's looking like on the mannequin's head. You guys are going to be seeing what it would look like on my head. So here is what it is. This is just a simple hairstyle you can wear anywhere. It's so easy, just wear and go. There's not too much work. Just put on your headband like I did here. I have this headband, it's a different piece, so I just had to put, after wearing the wig, that's the main headband on my head, I just went ahead and put in this headband to give it this secured and firm look, which was really looking nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.